Hi, I'm Joey Gabarda, owner of Classic Honda of Midland.
Hello, I'm Alex Almodovar, owner of Rogue Dent Repair.
Today we're going to give you a tour of our body shop.
Here at our facility, we have state-of-the-art equipment, starting with our Downdraft Booth.
So this is our Glow-Therm Downdraft paint booth. It was imported from Italy. These paint booths are the only paint booths certified to work on Ferraris. So we always want to have the best equipment here, especially with being in West Texas. The wind blows hard, the air is very contaminated with dust. This is the absolute best equipment that you can have for a paint shop. You'll never get trash in the paint, you'll never have fish eyes. So we only want the best equipment for our clients.
What you're looking at here is our paint mixing station from PPG, and we can mix any paint to match your vehicle.
I know we're talking about body shops, but I've got to show you my brand new 2020 GMC Duramax Denali that Alex did.
Basically what we did is we called it chrome delete. Anything that was chrome on the truck, we either blacked out or color matched, starting from basically the GMC on the grill to the mirrors, all the way to the taillights.
So this vehicle comes equipped with BDS 6-inch lift. It has 22-inch Hostel wheels, 14-inch lip. It has 37-inch Toyo Outcountry tires. It's also mounted to a BDS Fox off-road suspension system. It's also going to have amp side power side steps and a rear backflip tonneau cover. So obviously if you're looking to do some type of customization on your vehicle, kind of like what I've done to my truck, we can handle that here.
Here in West Texas, I know your vehicles get pretty dirty. Here at the facility, we have a full detail shop that can get you in and out in one day.
So as far as collision, hail repair, body shop, dents, windshields, car details, we can handle it here at Classic Honda of Midland. Make sure you visit us here at classichondamidland.com and relax and enjoy the difference.